Right, good morning everyone. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Now, I've just making a couple of flowers. Yes, I'm making flowers. And I just need to do another one like this. They're all the same, but you do 6 or 5, 3 and 3. So I'm just going to show you how to do them. Each petal's the same. And you just need some ribbon, and I would just do it about 11 centimetres. So I'm just going to get my ruler. It gives it a nice size flower. So if you're going to do it about 11 centimetres, I need 3. They don't have to be exact, just, you know, just do it. So we fold that in half, hope you can see. Then we fold that in half again. You take your tweezers and you, and this doesn't have to be perfect either. Put it at an angle, snip that, make sure there's enough to burnish. Take your lighter. The lighters will be due in again next week, I think, folks. And just do that. So we'll do 3 of those, which is what we need. And again, fold in half, then half again. Tweezers at an angle. Snip. Push it through just a little bit to make sure you catch it. And I'm using organza. Half, half again. These are so simple but pretty. Okay, once you've done that, you pull them out like that. So they're like that. Just grab the 2 ends and pull them. And then all you've got to do is that. You fold them back on each other. Okay, and then you take your needle and you just stitch along the bottom. It's as simple as that. Leave that on the needle. Turn that inside out and stitch that on. Don't worry about any oddments if they're a bit longer than, you know, like I've got bits there longer than the other. Don't worry about that at all. And then just move that down on the needle. Like that. Pull your needle through, leave some at the end, and then tie them off. So you can do as many as you want. Just pull it together like that and double knot, triple knot it, whichever you want to do. Like that. And then all you have to, and that's the only sewing you have to do. So I'm just going to get a flower for mine. Oh, and by the way, I've got the new kit in. So I'm going to share that with you shortly. So I've got these, they're like a creamy rose. I'm just going to take the buds off and I'm going to use 3. So first of all, we need a base for that. This will do. Cut my circle. Now there's no point in putting a small circle on if you're going to put a clip on the back. You need one big enough to hold it. You take the first set that you've done. See, my glue gun's ready. Pop that on. Try and get it as even. Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be even, but it's nicer when it's even because you can play with it then and work. They do look really pretty. And then just put the next layer on. try and alternate it, so where you've got a gap, you put the flower. And the last one. So I'm going to extend that bit there. And then I'm just going to add these. Now I could just put one on, but I want to put 3. Because this is kind of like a wedding-y flower. This particular one. And they look fabulous when they're a little bit extra on them. Like that, see? Don't they look gorgeous? Beautiful flowers. Now you can add, you know, feathers and things like that. Whatever it is you want to add. Very elegant. Now these are the ones I make. I make that. And I'll show you in a minute how to do it. We do have a video, but it's an old video, so I'm going to redo that. But I'll do it in this video. Okay? Right, that's not quite sticking together for me, so I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on there. And then just bring those together. And for the middle, I'm going to use a diamante. Or a crystal. Let's have a look, see what we've got. You need something that'll stand out. Oh, do you know what I will do? A nice pearl. Where you can start adding your bits and pieces. But, you know, little things like a pearl can make a difference. Watch. See? See what a difference that little... More elegant all of a sudden. Beautiful flower. Right, so I'm just going to stick the... put the stick pin in. Like that. I have some feathers. Oh, I got a couple. That'll do. Okay, so these are a little bit too long for me. Don't waste it. Can become a butterfly. Just take the end bits off. Now, you can sit that in there, and this one as well. So we just pop that in like that, take the stick pin back out and shove that back in there. Beautiful, isn't it? Just do a couple of loops like that. That's all you need to do. Just dab some glue on and then we just rub that together. And it'll just seal it all off, and then as is, we just pop that in there like that. So I hope that's helpful. Very, very easy. I will show you that again because I want to do a couple of these. So again, for that size flower, which is 3 inches wide, 4 inches wide, just do 11 centimetres. And it's as easy as that. You can leave them like that. You don't have to double layer them, triple layer them or anything like that. Just leave it as is. And then you can put like, I mean that would look, no it's too, that's too small. But you know, let's have a look, see what we've got. Do you know what? Just a simple button will do. Like that. A little bit of a doily maybe. Hang on, got some scrag ends here. So we'll just put these on. Do you remember the doilies? I cut the middles out, but I'm not, I don't waste, because you can make use of anything. You put your mind to it. I've got about 2 will do probably. Yeah, that'll do. Don't need any more than that. It's just to put a little bit of a central bit in. Layer the flower a little bit. Just pull that through, that's it, like that. See, that makes a nice little flower. Get off me thing. Like that. Oh yes. And then look. You just pop in that little button, which was the right choice to make. How's that? Beautiful little flower. That can go anywhere, in amongst others as well. And you can't tell it's in 2 pieces. So, it's just another way to make a flower. Have fun doing them. They do look scrumptious. And yeah, I think we've 2 more nice flowers there. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.